So if you want to reset your camera, any camera, I am going to reset the Canon one. You have to switch on this. Just see, just on it and switch it to the manual mode. I already made this. Okay, after that open your this one and press on menu button. Just see this menu button, and in this you have to find for the function setting. This function setting, press OK, and after that you have to scroll down this, like at the 4 you have to find the clear setting. This clear setting, press on it, and here are the two options: clear all camera settings and clear all custom functions. Custom function, that are the function which are made by you, and all camera setting means the total factory reset you are going to do by here. So clear all camera settings, just press OK and wait for a second. Okay, now go to menu again, go to this, go to OK, go to fourth one, go to clear setting and double tap on it, and go to the bottom one, clear our custom functions, and press OK. The all things are the cleared now. Now your camera is at the factory reset.